Hello, today we will guide you through how to upgrade Zoom. If you're ready to move to a higher Zoom plan, this process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step so you can follow along easily and make sure you choose the option that best fits your needs. To begin, open your web browser and search for Zoom. From the search results, go to the official Zoom website. It's important to make sure you're on the official site before continuing, especially when reviewing plans or entering payment information during checkout. Once the site loads, take a moment to confirm that you're in the right place. Next, look toward the upper part of the screen and click on Pricing. This section is where Zoom displays its available plans and upgrade options. You'll typically see different tiers with a breakdown of features, which can help you compare what's included in each plan. If you're not sure which one to choose, this is a good time to review the details carefully, such as participant limits, meeting duration, cloud storage, or other business features that may matter to you. After that, choose your preferred upgrade and click Upgrade. Be sure to select the plan that matches your intended use. For example, some plans are better for individual users, while others are designed for teams or organizations. Taking an extra moment here can help you avoid picking a plan that has more features than you need, or not enough. Once you've selected your upgrade, continue by following the procedure shown on your screen to complete checkout. The exact prompts may vary depending on whether you're already signed in, whether you're upgrading a personal or business account, and what billing options are available in your region. As you move through checkout, review each page carefully so you understand the billing cycle, renewal terms, and final total before confirming the purchase. If anything looks unfamiliar, don't rush. Read each field and prompt as you go. This helps prevent mistakes and ensures your upgrade is applied to the correct account. After checkout is complete, Zoom will usually confirm the upgrade on screen, and your account should reflect the new plan shortly afterward. And that's it. You've successfully gone through the process of upgrading Zoom. Thanks for following along, and we hope this guide made the process simple and clear.